Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I needed to give you guys that big hello because I have not sat down and filmed in like months. I would say about a month or two. Like, it's been some time, but I'm here today and every day this week because I am doing, dang, my AC came on. I was like, wait, who the hell? But yeah, so you guys, I have finally got some time to sit down. I meant to do this video weeks ago, but life got ahead of me and I was not able to do it. So today I am doing the video. It is actually my week of favorites video, and I will be giving you guys favorites every single day this week. So today we're going to talk about shampoos and cleansers, and tomorrow we're going to talk about deep conditioners, just something to get that moisture in. And also after that we're going to talk about leave-ins. After that we're going to talk about creams. After that we're going to talk about gels on Friday. I have the whole week planned out, so you do not want to miss it. But today, like I said, we're going to be talking about shampoos and cleansers. So let's just hop right into it. I know my braids look dusty. I'm going to take them out soon. But for today, well, actually for every day this week, mind your business. Okay? Let's get it. I have been loving quite a bit of shampoos, and I've been very specific on what shampoos I like versus what shampoos I really don't like, okay? And I really like shampoos that have nozzles like this. When I say it's a game changer, sis, you see that hand right there? That means it's a game changer. So I love these like liquidy. Let me close it. It was not closed. I love these liquidy. This one is Eco Slay Peppermint Schnapps Hair Wash. It looks like this. If you guys have not seen this before, then this is like a very small brand. I think they're based in Atlanta. They sent me these products, and I have been liking, I've been actually loving. This is my second bottle that I've gone through of the Eco Slay Peppermint Schnapps Hair Wash. It is so good. It smells like peppermint, but you can get right in to where the issue is. So like you itching right up in here, you can put that right up in there and get that. I love these nozzles, but better than the nozzles, I love the consistency of these shampoos because the consistency is not very thick, very creamy, and when it's not that thick, it's easier for you to wash these products out because I hate taking forever to rinse out my shampoo. I don't like doing that, so when I wash my hair, after I'm done washing, hell, I want to stick my head under there, do like, and let that shampoo be out. I don't need that shampoo to be staying in for years and days. So I do like the ones that come with nozzles. They are lightweight, and I just love them. So yeah, I love this one by Eco Slay. This is actually one of my favorites, but I did go to a Cantu event, y'all. This bottle is literally right here. I started using this like it was nobody's business. This is the Cantu apple cider vinegar and tea tree soothing shampoo. This is like every natural girl's dream shampoo because it has literally apple cider vinegar, which balances your pH in your hair, and it also cleanses really good. If you guys have not done an apple cider vinegar rinse, what you doing with your life, honey? Like, I've been here for you. I've been here for you, but you haven't done that. So apple cider vinegar rinses is what it is, okay? And tea tree is really great for scalps. It's really great for braids. If you do have some type of braided hairstyle, or even if you are wearing your natural hair, because I don't wash my braids. Like, I really don't necessarily do that. I'm going to do that for y'all because I had to do it for Cuba, actually, because the water in Cuba was trash, and I did get in the pool, so I did have to wash my hair with that. But I did get a nice routine going when I did rinse that out. So I do want to kind of do that whole routine over again and refresh my braids. I know I'm looking dusty. I know it. I know I'm looking dusty, but that's not what we talk about. It doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar, which is great. It actually has a really nice smell, but it has that nozzle, and the nozzle is really made on there. It's nice and big. So getting right into where you need to go is not a problem, and I love it because it's huge. Like, this is the Eco Slay shampoo, and this is the Cantu one, which I'm pretty sure might be a little bit cheaper. I don't know, but I do like I said, I love shampoos with these nozzles, and these are great shampoos. I have a lot of light coming in. Hold on. Let me turn some of these lights off. Sorry, guys. I had to turn some of those lights off because it was too much coming in. I had the blinds open right here. We don't have the blinds open anymore. So if the light changed, that is what happened. So now that we got that done, I do want to talk about other shampoos that you guys probably already know about. And in this series, you guys are going to hear other products that I've already talked about in my previous favorites, but that's because they haven't fallen off as my favorites yet. But there are some products that fell off my favorites list, okay? And I'm just not that happy about those products anymore on my hair. And my hair changes, so what it do? It is what it is. But I do still love the Miche shampoo. This is the moisturizing and cleansing sulfate-free shampoo. You only need a little bit of this because, like I said, I do not like shampoo that does not rinse out. And if you use a lot of this, it will get to that point. So I do like it. You only need a little bit though. I do wish it was a little lighter, but it's more of a goopy type of feeling. So you just need a little bit. Put it in your hands and really get that scalp. Moving on, because we did talk about some apple cider vinegar things earlier. So why wouldn't I mention this? This is a cleanser for your hair. If you guys have not done an apple cider vinegar rinse, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? This is everything that you need in your routine. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits to natural hair. It sets that pH balance right. It's great for cleansing without stripping, and it's still a good moisturizer. So if you haven't done the apple cider vinegar rinse, make sure you actually check out those videos first, because you gotta watch a video. But then once you get it down packed, if you like a spray bottle, if you like a nozzle, find out what you like to apply your apple cider vinegar rinse with. I like to do it with a spray bottle, add it with a little bit of water in here. And this is the type of apple cider vinegar that I like to use. But you guys know I also do the clay mask as well, which includes apple cider vinegar, but you add the clay to the apple cider vinegar. It creates a nice creaminess, but it's a great cleanser. It's one of the best cleansers. So like if you're having issues with your hair, I say go for this first. If you are having any issues with your hair, do a clay mask. Damn, I almost broke the bottle. Do a clay mask and then move forward on whatever you need to do from there. Maybe you need to add more protein, maybe you need to add more moisture, but you need to start right here. You just gotta strip everything that your ass put in your hair, because you know how y'all be doing. I do it too, and you know I gotta say y'all do it because I gotta act like I'm doing it. But you know how we do. Sometimes we get into using new products and some of that shit be so heavy, it be like a whole cake been baking on your scalp just because you felt like it smelled good. You know, we've all been there, sis. I've been there. But that apple cider vinegar with that clay, it will cure all of that. It'll take all that out of your hair so you can refresh. It's like a reboot, start over, get that out your hair. Okay, that's what that is. So yeah, I love that. It's actually an oldie but a goodie, you guys, because I have not talked about this on my channel actually recently. I feel like the last time I talked about this was like 2014, girl. Not 14, but 14. And this is the 18-in-1 Pure Castel Soap. And this is by Dr. Bronners, right? Yeah, this is by Dr. Bronners. This one I think is the pineapple scent, but they have a ton. Dr. Bronners Soap used to be my go-to for hair. Now, this is a shampoo that's going to actually cleanse your hair. It's going to strip some things out. Not strip it to where it's super dry, because it is mostly oils in this product. So you, come on, naturals. If y'all don't know about this, then y'all need to get your life. But it has a ton of different oils in here, but it's great for cleansing your hair, and I absolutely love it. It's also really good for cleaning things with, and also good for body wash. It actually is a one-purpose all cleanser, and I love this stuff. Now, it has a bunch of writing. I know you guys can't see it because my lighting in here is pretty bright. I don't even know why, because I don't even have a lot of lights on going on right now, but I do like this. I really do like this. This has been a holy grail for quite some time, and I just wanted to mention it. I haven't used it recently just because I've had braids, and before that, I test so many products, you guys, but I did want to mention this in a video because it is a great soap. So if you are on a budget, you need to just get your body wash and your shampoo all in one. This is what you need to go get. You're welcome. It's really good. You're welcome. Oh, now this one is a oldie but a goodie. It's the Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco Shampoo. Y'all should already know this is one of my favorites. It's super cheap. If you are looking for affordable shampoo, this is it. But it's so good. It's so moisturizing. You can detangle with this one. All the other ones I've mentioned, there's no detangling properties in there. It's strictly for cleansing or like making sure your scalp is clean, promoting healthy scalp. Now the Miche is really good with detangling and moisturizing as well. But this one, I would say I like it a lot more than the Miche one, just because it's really good. Like, it's just really good. It's super big. It smells good. It doesn't smell as good as the Miche, but it's good. We didn't speak about this one, but this is from EcoSlay as well. This is something they just sent. I actually have not used this, but I did want to mention it because like I said, I love anything that comes in like sprays or nozzles and stuff. This is a tea rinse. And if you are checking out the EcoSlay website, and none of this is sponsored, by the way, because they ain't give me no coins, but none of this. These are literally products that I like, and I wanted to mention this tea rinse only because it has ginger and moringa, and if you don't know, those are really good ingredients. And this has ginger extract, moringa extract, aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar, and something else, but that's pretty much it. That's actually something I would really use for something like braids. Like, you would take the spray and spray it on your hair and literally like let the water just cleanse your hair. I cannot wait to try this on my natural hair, but I do love the ingredients that it has, and I just wanted to mention in this video because who knows when I'm going to do my next favorites. And I have a very high feeling that I'm going to really like this product, so I wanted to go ahead and mention that. And you guys already know, I don't like to mention super expensive products, but you know, Diva Curl is one of those that I do admire and I love because their products are so safe for your hair, yet they smell delicious and they work. So this is the Nopoo Decadence. This is a non-lathering shampoo type of product. It is creamy, but it's very lightweight. So it's, let me show you. Y'all have so many of these. I have it in the pumps, and I just try to refill the pumps back up. But this is not like a super thick product, as you can see. Like, it literally is very lightweight. Like, it takes a lot to even get it to look like a super white cast. You see, that's a very light product. Ooh, and it feels so good. It feels so moisturizing. Even though I'm not keeping the shampoo in my hands, it feels very moisturizing. But like I said, this is not lather. But if you're looking for a very nice cleansing shampoo that won't strip anything and you are looking to retain more moisture, this is something I really wanted to mention. When you are doing your hair journey, you're going through your hair journey, you're going to realize that your hair goes through a lot of different changes. My hair is at the point where it has actually learned how to retain all the moisture that I put into it, so I do not need to do a lot of moisturizing to my hair. So now I look for more lighter products, and you need to do that for low porosity hair anyway, but now I'm looking for more lighter products because they just work so much better on my hair. They don't weigh my hair down because my hair is so moisture trained. So things like Diva Curl, even though when I first started my natural hair journey, I could not use stuff like this. I could not use things like Diva Curl when I first started my natural hair journey because my hair was not necessarily used to those type of products. But as I've been continuing my natural hair journey, I've realized that I can use those products now. So they are really, really helpful for my hair, and I love it. But I do want you guys to realize that you may be at a different stage in your natural hair process than anybody else, so you do have to take that into consideration. Okay, so the last product that I want to talk about are the As I Am co-washes. I know co-washing is not necessarily the best thing to do, but sometimes it is really good, especially for those times where you just wash your hair on the weekend, but you wash your hair like every 3 to 4 days and you don't necessarily want to shampoo your hair completely. That's when co-washes come in handy, and I love As I Am's. These are the best co-washes out right now. This one is the Coconut Co-Wash by As I Am, and this one is their new Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash. Looks like this. These are both really, really good. This one is more moisturizing than this one, but this one has more properties for cleaning and making sure your hair is repaired. It has more oils and stuff in this one than it has in this one, but they are both equally still amazing, and I love them. I know I said the last one's the last one, but it's really not the last one. This is actually the last one. I wasn't going to include this one into my cleansers video, but I realized this is still included in products that I rinse out of my hair, or that I do first, the first step that I do in my wash day routine. And so I do want to put out rice water because that is what I swear by rice water. I'm going to do it as soon as I take these braids out as well. But rice water has been, you know, my holy grail. I use a black rice water. I do not use the white one. It's a little too strong, but I feel with the black rice water, you really get the nutrients that you need. Your hair isn't dry when you finish, but you feel like your curls just popping. Everything just goes well with the black rice, okay? So if you've not used the black rice, please go use it because I have a ton of videos on the black rice, but I am still using it if you guys are wondering. And I do use it at the beginning of the step because I want to rinse it out and then continue with my wash day routine after that. The rice is in my Amazon store, so if you guys are looking to purchase it, I will link it below. but it's amazing and it's super cheap. It's rice, and you can keep using the same rice over and over and over until you get all the nutrients out, and then you can toss it and use some more rice, and it's super freaking cheap. Okay, so yeah, rice water is it. So I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I talk about my deep conditioners and detanglers and all that good stuff. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Uncle Sam with the pay cuts, but I don't really like to say much. They don't listen anyway. Safe crutch from the truth. Really feel sorry for the youth misguided.